All right, good afternoon, everyone. Quick rundown of YETI Holdings. Currently just posted first quarter 2025 earnings, and they were not good. They were not good. On my previous video, I posted this January 17, 2025. It was selling at a $3 billion valuation for $37.27 a share. And right now, it is down all the way to $29.61. So we are currently down about 20% from that last video. Am I still bullish? Let's go ahead and go over that today and see what's going on with YETI. Okay, so they are in the midst of a significant supply chain transformation. They are getting affected with all the tariff drama. They are currently transforming and sourcing their production out of China right now. This is impacting our available supply and thus our top line growth in the following ways. This is the number one reason why their top line has not been growing for the past couple quarters. Looks like they also halted shipments and shut down our production in China for over 3 weeks at the beginning of quarter 2. So that is the number one reason why they are struggling with their top line. So let's take a look at that top line. They haven't posted all the numbers yet on Seeking Alpha, but as you can see, this is going to be quarter 1 over here. Quarter 1, 2025, they posted 351 million. That is only up about 3% year over year. No growth at all. 2 consecutive quarters of single-digit growth for YETI. Not good at all. And as you can see from December, no top line growth. The stock has done nothing but decline 30%. So how is YETI going to solve all this? Well, number one is they have to fix that supply chain issue, of course. So it looks like they are ahead of schedule right now. The company achieved a 20% shift of global drinkware capacity outside of China. And they said by the end of this year, by the end of 2025, 80% will be outside of China. One of the main ways, of course, to increase that top line are new products. So over 30 new products plan to be released in 2025. Innovations include insulated sports jugs, beach chairs, and food-related products. They have a new pour over for coffee. They're getting into the coffee category, and also some Rambler bowls. Let's check out their website real quick. So they're getting into kitchenware now, and some of the newest kitchen products, of course, number one is that cast iron. But yeah, they have some insulated bowls now for food, but again, slowly rolling out new products this year. But overall for the stock, it's probably going to stay flat for a while until they solve those supply chain issues. If you take a look at the 5-year chart, it's been flat for the past 3 years already. It's pretty much been flat since 2022. So the past 3 years, YETI stock has been doing nothing. I feel like it's going to continue to do nothing until that top line gets solved, and of course until they get supply chain issues in check. So management did say for 2025, they expect full year sales growth of 1 to 4%. That means no growth for YETI. They're just kind of in limbo right now. So other than that, they're still generating great cash flows. March quarter is always not a good quarter for them, it looks like. Up 20% year over year on free cash flow per share. But yeah, this is going to be a transitional year for YETI, 2025. I still do think this stock is a little bit undervalued, but I would wait. The one reason why I am still bullish on this stock, they did increase their share repurchase to 350 million. So if they continue to repurchase their shares, it could help pump up the stock. But as of right now, they might have to be pausing those share repurchases because their cash stockpile is slowly starting to dwindle. They currently only have 259 million in cash left with 71 million in long-term debt. So for the first quarter, they didn't really talk about if they did any repurchases for the past couple months. I feel like they're going to have to be pausing those shares. But as of right now, we're not going to get too much action on this stock. I still think the stock is undervalued, but again, I would like to see them repurchase some shares or start seeing more products roll out for 2025 and 2026. My rating for this is still a hold. We are currently down from that last video I posted at $37, $3 billion valuation. We are currently down 20% from that last video. But yeah, we'll keep updating the stock and we'll see where it takes us. Thanks for watching this one. Just a quick YETI Holdings update, and we'll catch you on the next video.